Hello, our topic is the enlightening the user behavior using user log trails. Means how the user behave with our portal. It will be used analyzing user behavior analysis through the analysis tools, like we using the technology stack like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the Python for the backend, and the machine learning algorithm to use to detect the anomaly present in the user behavior or not, and the key means the multiple users to group on the basis of their similar patterns, and the virtual machine we are using our innovation as a innovation to give the secure or to give or the provide a secure environment to the web portals. The main motto of these problem statement is to you to improve the user enhancement and to give the feedback to the admin where you have to improve the our website. We are from the MGM's College of Engineering, Nanded. Uh, this is our the HTML code of our website where we get all the user interactions on the basis of to fetch using the JavaScript, like the user interaction such type like the user coordinates like XY coordinates, then the screen resolution of the user, then which type of browser used by the user, then what is the version. Then main thing is that we on the basis of which we will divide the segments of the user is the IP address. We will get the IP address to the get API of the JavaScript. After that we get the start time of the user, then what is the timestamp of the user when the user visited the most of the pages, then what is the target of the user where user click most of the time, what action has been done by the user, that is a scroll, mouse over, and the zoom or the any form submission has been done by the user or not. These all interaction we get through the JavaScript and it will send to the backend using the API. After the after let's move to the website, how our website will run. This is our website where the user can interact with this. Suppose let's take the analyze the how user will interact with and how the data will be sent to the backend. Let's go to the console. Here I'm interacting with the website. Here the logs has been generated and it will send to the backends. Suppose that where the action is mouse hovering, like I'm my mouse hovering, if I click on the button, any button, it's also record it. Now here is also the mouse hovering. If I suppose if I clicking and I'm zoom or this here are the, if I zooming, then the action is zoom and it will send to the backend. This is such the interaction will be grabbed by the JavaScript. Let's now this is all the logs where the we will send the all the logs of the user into the Excel file, which is used to train our ML model to detect any anomaly present in the user logs or not, and to cluster the user according to their similar kind of behavior to enhance the user interactions. And user admin can know the what kind of user are present and what they are used to do the behavior on our portal. This is all the logs were in the form of created of Excel sheet. Now let's move to the towards the admin page where user admin can get all the analysis of our website. Let's log in. Here are the some graphical notations which will show the some the visualizations of the data set which is we will record on the server side. Here is the total duration of the different targets where the how many on the page how many users spend the time. I mean how much time has been spent by the user on the particular page or the elements of the pages. After that it will show the count of the action, which will means what how many mouse hover has been done by the users on that page. This is the count of this. Then scroll, then the click and the zoom. This is the show the analysis, simple analysis of that. After that the timestamp which show means at that day particular day how many users spent the time on that website. Suppose that the take example at 0 17 12, this is the timestamp and along with the duration means on this day the 2000 milliseconds time the user spent on our website. The overall behavior of the website, here we get the basic analysis of our website. Once the log has been generated through the JavaScript libraries, we will dump into the data set, and the data set will be sent to the ML model to predict the predictions we use for the anomaly detection, which is whatever the behavior has been recorded by the JavaScript in the form of log. Is there any anomaly we have to detect in the BAM? We have to detect the is there anomaly present in the user behavior or not. For that, we use the isolation forest algorithm, which is an unsupervised algorithm to detect and analyze any anomaly present in that, and we train the ML model with the help of some attributes and all the behavior which we can capture through the JavaScript, and we train the ML model on the basis of it with the contamination and the isolation for, and we train the ML model with some standard scalar, and after each 24 hours the ML model will train and update their new data into that data set. So through this we can get the accurate predictions day by day, and the ML model will also analyze the similar kind of pattern to analyze the behaviors of the multiple users at a time and the group the same users within same group. So we use isolation forest and we train the ML model on the basis of this, and our output is this is then the dashboard of the admin page where the anomaly detection result we have to place. Now there is no any anomaly present in the database because the data set is there are the only 10 rows we have passed through as an input, but there is no any kind of anomaly present. So it will show the empty table where we show the whatever the anomaly present here in the form of 1 and -1. After that we start actually summary of the normal data, how the normal data how are different from the anomaly data. Here the data is not as compared to good, so where there is it's showing the null values also present in the data set. After that, we have to show the anomalies data. What is the anomaly data present in the data set? So in that, the count is 0 because the data set has contains only 10 values. So there is no any kind of predictions has been done by the anomaly detection model. Here shows what is the statistical summary of normal data, which show the how many clicks of mouse, how many zooms has been done by users, how many scroll has been done by users, and all the data will be stored here also. Now how to visualize the anomalies and other kinds of stuff in the data set. So we done some of the graphs in this, so to show the accurate visualization to the admin how the user behavior there with their websites. So we get some data numeric values with an account of anomaly because the graph is empty because there is no any anomaly present with respect to the anomalies and the data numeric. Even here the anomalies how to plot x and y axis. Even here also there is no any anomaly present in this graph because the graph not founded by the graph. And now here is the normal data with anomalous data. Here is only the one is there, means there is no any anomaly present. So if there are the two graphs, if the anomaly present, then same kind of graph is also besides of these blue color graph, which shows the anomaly, how much percent anomaly present in the given data set. An anomaly pattern over the time, it will check the reduce the graph step by step how the anomaly present in the data set and how it will increase where the graph is growing low and where the graph is going increases. So this will also shows an anomaly pattern. So even we have to analyze the most important thing in the data analysis, how to visualize the patterns. On the basis of this we have to analyze the patterns also. So this is our pattern, like there is a straight line anomaly present in the datasets. The third innovation is to do the user analysis on the dashboard, admin dashboard. We use the Microsoft Clarity to show all the behavior and all the analysis of the users, how overall users and the particular users on the admin page. And it will show the how the users behavior the website, how many clicks, how many interactions, how many form submissions, and all the elements on all the attributes how covered in the dashboards. It will show the graphical notation as well as the demographic informations of the user and how many users are actively now active present on our website, how many users are the history of the users also can be present on our dashboard. After that, we our second most fourth most innovation is the recording, means the session replay. If Suppose that admin wants to know the particular user what done on our website. If that user done some any anomalies or the behavior founded by the admin, so you admin can do their session replay also, where the logs will be converted into the simulation form, and again that session replay will be started. Let's take the main overall view of the session replay. Here is the some particular user, how the user will interact with our portal, it will showing. So where user going, where user clicking, and how it will behaving with our website, it will show the all the interactions of the user, and your admin can analyze and improve where their website is lagging and where we have to improve, need other improvements. So here we show the all the clicks, rows, and the areas of all information. This is the main role of the session replay which played in the user behavior analysis. After that, we used to give the heat maps to the admin to show the maximum number of users. Where is the interest? Where is the interest of the maximum number of users on the portal? Suppose that I have a maps, the Bhuvan portal. Suppose that the Bhuvan portal, I have a Bhuvan portal, and then where is the interest of the more maximum users? Maximum user, where is the interest? Here is the services. Suppose that I'm click on the services, there is the three clicks on the services, so I get I get to know that maximum users are using the services buttons, and the admin can analyze the what is the content of the services and how can I improve to get the more interactions with that particular pages. So this is the main motto of the heat maps, to give the interest of the users also. This is the R, the session analysis of the user behaviors, and along with the log trails. We give the dashboards, the session replay, and the heat maps. Our innovation is we will embedded the virtual machine in our website to provide the secure environment for the server as well as the server side code, because the attackers will hack through those SQL injections and the cross scripting language in the code. So we will provide the secure and the virtual environment where the user cannot be access the real main code and the main server of the our website. So main motto of the virtual machine is to provide the security. The virtual machine contains the three parts like a snapshot, security management, traffic management, and the firewall setup. In Let's talk about the snapshots. The snapshots are the two instances where we will means the one instance is the secure instance, and the second one instance is an malicious instance. But if the some let's take an example, like one attacker attacks on our server, which is the duplicate server, the second instance of the virtual machine. If the any malicious activity has been recorded in that virtual machine, it will be replaced by the another one, that is in the another instance has been created on that time, and that malicious instance will be replaced with the new instance, and that malicious instance will be deleted automatically. If user The admin wants to see what happened in that malicious instance, then admin can also see it to for the future reference to avoid such kind of attacks. So after that, we will use the traffic management. If the lack of users on our website, so we will manage the traffic on that virtual machine. We will create a two instances which shows the health of that two instances, how much healthy that instance is running on the servers. So if the one instance is going very actively, and the traffic will be moved towards that, where if two instances are very healthy, then accordingly the users will be moved and the redirected to that instances. After that, the firewall setup means whatever which type of request we have to take, that will be decided by the firewall. It depends on us what type of request we will accept through the users, which is like a SSH, HTTPS, and the HTTP. There are kind of requests we can access through the it. After that, we will deploy the let's deploy the our website on the AWS, which will give the virtual machine. Here we will deploying the virtual machine. Now the website has been deployed. The last section of the services, why to use our service or the API. Whatever we made, we will convert it into the API to use, so that the another websites can use these services freely or the paid. So let's see what our API can do. uh, Apart from the previous videos, we see how actually our API works. Now see what features give, or which features we will provide to the website portals or the admins. The first feature is the real-time analysis of the user, so that the admin can analyze each user behavior on the basis of whatever the data has been given by the API or the real-time tracking on the website. After that, easy to integrate with any website. We will provide the snippet of the code where each admin can insert during the development of that website, can integrate those code into their website, and so that from that we will start analyzing the behavior of the user and the tracking the website on our portal or the API. After that, the admin can analyze each user behavior thoroughly. If admin want to know what happened on the website, and if he want to see the each user behavior, so he can do through our website, he can retrieve all the information about the users due through the server side, accordingly the session ID, so that he can analyze all the user behavior through the visual appearance, through the text appearance, and another etc features we will provide it to the users. After that, admin can see and create the sessions of the users and observe the whole session actually what user done on the website. It will help to enhance the security and the interaction among the users and the website, and detect what actually anomaly found on the website, so that admin can improve their website and the security level on the basis of user behavior. He can analyze where user interacting more on the website, so that part of the website admin can improve, and the developers get idea where the improvement is needed. The last services, the API will find out the server side bugs and the user side bugs, so that interaction of the website will be enhanced and the service management of the web portal will be increases. Means what, we will providing this code snippet which will analyze your server's traffic, and if any bugs will be found out on the server, it will report to the admin. And if the user getting any bugs, or the, for example, if user scrolling on the any button but it is not scroll properly, so that is bug is will be reporting to the admin, and that will be reformed by the admin after suddenly, if he get the notification on his dashboard. It will help to enhance the security level along with the performance of the website and the future performance of the website. Thank you so much.